Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading Academy. Guys, tomorrow we are going to see Union Budget 2021. Let's see tomorrow how Nifty and Bank Nifty can behave. I'm expecting Bank Nifty and Nifty to be very wild tomorrow. We may have some good momentum. Nifty can move more than 600 points. This is what I'm expecting, and Bank Nifty around 1200 to 1500 points. Let's go and check where the Nifty supports are for Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is the Nifty chart. Guys, you can see here I have marked some supports and resistance. Let me show you what I marked. This is the previous resistance which will act as a resistance for tomorrow. This is also near 50 moving average. Right, this is the 50 moving average, and I have said you already how important it is. So price is near 50 moving average. It's not so far, and also there is a resistance near 50 moving average. So this point is going to be very important for tomorrow. And the next one is this level. It is somewhere around 13,131 to 13,192. Let me tell you why I have marked this. We can see here previously this has been resisted, and once it has broken, we had seen a good rally on the upside. And when price rejected, there was a big candle, bearish candle. This is 1-day chart, and then this low was not broken. This was in fact intact. You can see here, and from this point again we had a recovery, right? After making this low, the next candle also had made low somewhere here. So my view is there are buyers sitting at this level. So this level will be very important because previously there was a rally on the upside from here. So for tomorrow on the downside, I'm expecting max to max somewhere around 13,200 levels. In case it starts rolling down, then we can see Nifty hitting somewhere around 13,200 levels. And on the upside, I'm seeing almost around 14,222.80 because this is a resistance. Previously you can see here it was had formed a double top, it has broken. So this point will be very important for tomorrow as well. So other than these points, we have to mark Friday candle high and low, which will be very important support and resistance. This is the nearest support and resistance what we have on Nifty and Bank Nifty. On Nifty, this is the high and low what I'm marking. In case price starts trading below this low, I'll initiate a short position. I'll explain you what my trading plan is once we go to Nifty and Bank Nifty future chart here. Now let me stick to Nifty and Bank Nifty spot chart. This is the rough analysis what I have, and on the upside, once this breaks, I'll expect prices move to 14,222, right? But once if price starts traveling from here itself without breaking the low, guys, this point you can check out. This will be a very important point because previously we had seen a fall from here. So this is going to be a very important resistance, right? This is the simple analysis what I have on Nifty. Let's go and check out Nifty trend line as well. Let me quickly draw a trend line here and see what has happened previously. Okay, now let me try checking out in log chart. Okay. Guys, we have a nearest resistance in Nifty on log chart as well. You can check out here. This is a point. So this point, both this low and this trend line will be very important. Once price starts trading below this, yes, we can expect some more downward momentum, at least till 13,200. This is my estimation. Let's move to Bank Nifty and see what has happened and what our levels will be. Bank Nifty, you can see here I had drawn a trend line here, right? And you can see the prices are still above the trend line. On Friday it has given a close above the trend line. That is very important. The other thing is what support and resistance I have drawn. Let me show you. See, this is a point what I have marked as resistance here. This is going to be a very important level for tomorrow. And on the downside, you can see at this point I had marked because this is near to Friday's low and as well as trend line. So this will also be a very important point. Other than this, the next point what I have is somewhere here. See, this was a resistance 31,510, and this low Thursday what it had created a low, that will be a very important point as well because we had seen a good buying coming from this point somewhere around 29,687, and the last point will be this where we had seen a buying coming in from this level. So I have marked all the levels. Either side it can give 1,200 points momentum. This is what I'm expecting. So in case price starts moving up, and remember to mark high and low of Bank Nifty as well. Bank Nifty spot chart, Friday candle high and low, that will be very important support and resistance. In case price starts moving up and price sustains above this 50 moving average on daily basis, daily chart, then we can expect some bounce on the upside. And in case price retraces back, this trend line will be a support. Below this trend line, once this breaks 30,200 levels, we can expect 29,687, and below that 28,976. So this is what is my idea to trade tomorrow on Bank Nifty and Nifty. Depending on the direction, I'll be taking the trades. Now let's go ahead and see how exact plans will be for tomorrow's day trading, intraday trading for Bank Nifty and Nifty. Guys, before I move to that, let me tell you, I have marked all these zones here. I'll be pasting this in description box. You can just go and copy the same levels and mark for tomorrow's trading. I've been recording videos on Nifty and Bank Nifty for a long time now. It's maybe around 1 or 2 months, and we have seen the zones work very well when it comes to day trading as well. You can just mark these zones and see how beautifully Nifty and Bank Nifty will respect the zones. Now talking about Bank Nifty, guys, tomorrow if you see here my plans, let me tell you, in case price starts moving on the upside direction from this S1 point, this S1 is support 1 zone, this is a strong zone. I'll tell you why this is strong. You can see here price had retraced from this level, it had failed to break this level. You can see here even on Friday when it had opened something like a shooting star, and from this level itself it has pushed down. So this level will be very important, and you can see here on Friday it has closed above this S1 zone. Any move on the upside from S1 zone, we can expect target to be R1 zone, above R1 R2 zone, and above R2 R3 will be a strong point because we have a Friday high here. As I've said you, high of Friday and high of Friday candle high and Friday candle low will be very important. So this high will be very important. This will act as a resistance, and once this breaks, we can expect prices to move to R4 and R5 as well, right? And in case it reverses from any of the zones, in case it reverses from R1, take a shorting position for S1 as a target. If it's reversing from R2, short from R2, take a target of R1 and S1. If it reverses from any of the zones, you can take a reverse trade as well. Now on the downside, guys, in case it closes below S1, in case it closes below S1, then we can expect prices move to S2. And remember, near S2 we had the low. This is the low what it had formed. This will be a support, and other thing is 50 moving average will be an important support here. In case price sustains below S2, we can expect prices move to S3, S4. These are the key levels what I'm expecting on the downside, and max to max I'm seeing somewhere around S5. This is the level what I'm seeing for. And in case price moves again below this, I'll just be trailing stop loss for the maximum benefit. These are the levels what I marked, and I'll upload all these levels in the description box. You can draw the same levels, and you can see how beautifully price has been respecting the levels. Right, now let's go to Nifty and see what our trading plan will be. The first thing is we can see prices have entered S1 and closed above S1. So any move on the upside, I'm targeting R1. Once it moves to R1, guys, I'll be trailing my stops because 50 moving average is somewhere around here. So there are good chances prices can retrace from this level, or if price sustains above R1, I can expect prices to move to R2. From R2, I'll target R3 and R4. Right? And on the downside, in case price starts trading below the low what it has formed, that was around 13,666.60, I'll be targeting for S2, S3 and S4 as the targets. This is the low. Once it starts trading below this low, I can expect prices to move to S2, S3 and max to max S4 as the target. This will be the key level, somewhere around 13,300 levels in future chart. And below this, I'll start trading my stop loss. This is what I'm going to do. And tomorrow being budget, market will be very wild. Make sure you trade with proper stop loss. And in case you are not keeping stop loss tomorrow, it may be a very risky day and you can lose almost all your capital. Though even if you fail, it's fine, but make sure you protect your capital. That is going to be very important. This is all for tomorrow's Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. I'll be taking the trades based on this. Hopefully, we have a good budget tomorrow. Let's see tomorrow how Nifty and Bank Nifty performs based on the levels what we have drawn, based on the zones, and based on the trading plan what we have. I'll see you tomorrow again, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, and if you enjoyed watching my video, give a like, and in case you have any doubts, drop a comment. I'll try to solve that. Thank you all. Have a good evening.